Assalamualaikum dear students, I hope you all are fine. Today we are here to start our last topic from our third unit. As you know that we have started our third unit from Iqra English book 1. So today we are going to complete it. I hope you have learnt and practiced your previous work. So let's see what we are going to read today. So our today's topic is let's talk, and today we are going to learn कि when we meet someone how we are going to introduce ourselves. जब हम किसी से मिलते हैं तो उसे किस तरह से इंट्रोड्यूस करवाते हैं अपने आप को. Today we are going to learn that in English. Is that clear? So let's start. So here we have two roles, one for Ali and one for Asif, and we are going to switch the role. आप लोग भी जब घर में प्रैक्टिस करेंगे आप लोग रोल स्विच कर सकते हैं. सो वी आर गोइंग टू टेक two girls in this role. One will be Alia and other will be Asifa. So let's start.
Excuse me, may I know your name?
My name is Asfa, and your good name?
I am Alia. In which class do you study?
I study in class Prep 6. What about you?
I also study in Prep 6.
Okay dear students, you also have to read it for time and again, and you have to practice it with your siblings. Is that clear? Okay, now what we are going to do, let's start our next activity. And one thing more beta, if you will practice it properly ना तो you will be able to talk in English by practicing it. और फिर जब स्कूल में आएंगे आप लोग और एक दूसरे से मिलेंगे तो you can also introduce yourself in the same way. Is that clear? So let's go to our next activity, which is word bank. So today we are going to learn about different parts of our home. Look at the first picture. Look at the picture carefully and you have to guess कि ये किस चीज़ की picture है. Yes, it's bathroom. Bathroom. Yes, now look at the next picture. Yes, it's kitchen. Kitchen. Very nice. Okay, now look at the next one. जिस रूम में सोफास पड़े होते हैं उसे क्या कहते हैं? Yes, पिक्चर में भी हमें नज़र आ रहा है. This is drawing room. Drawing room. Now look at the next one. और जहाँ गाड़ी खड़ी करते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Garage. Very good. It's garage. Now look at the next one is, और जहाँ खाना खाते हैं और डाइनिंग टेबल भी होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? डाइनिंग रूम. डाइनिंग रूम. Now look at the last one, और जहाँ बेड होता है that is called bedroom. Bedroom. So here we have bathroom, kitchen, drawing room, garage, dining room, bedroom. And now what you have to do beta, you have to read them for 10 times and you have to learn them by heart. Okay, आप लोगों ने by heart learn करना है इस सारे spelling को, because these are very important and it can be the part of your test or exam. क्योंकि ये आप लोगों को आ सकता है कि you have to write names of parts of different parts of home. Is that clear? Now let's go to our next activity. And one thing more, this is a written question also, so we are going to do this question on your neat copy. I'll show you at the end of the video. Now let's go to our next activity. Now next one is a student activity, and what you have to do, you have to color and write the parts of home. Yes, there are parts of home जो अभी हमने थोड़ी देर पहले पढ़े हैं. You have to color them and after that you have to guess their name also. Look at the first one. First room में क्या है? We can see the stove, fridge, some plates and dishes, so and a cupboard also. So it will be kitchen. Very nice. Now look at the next one is, here we have mirror है, एक window भी हमें नज़र आ रही है. Then we have basin and bathtub also. So it's a picture of bathroom. And then we have bed in a room, so it's a bedroom. And last one where sofas are present, so it will be drawing room. So what you have to do, you have to color this picture beautifully and after that you have to write their name in these given boxes. Let me show you how you are going to do. You can color it as you like, और after that you have to write the names. ओके जैसे आप लोगों को ये पिक्चर में भी नज़र आ रहा होगा कितने ब्यूटीफुल कलर किए हैं, आप लोगों ने भी बहुत अच्छे से कलर करना है. ओके नाउ लेट्स गो टू द लास्ट एक्टिविटी. सो दिस इज़ आर रिवीजन टाइम. सो जो पहले कॉन्सेप्ट हम पढ़ चुके हैं उसको रिवाइज करने जा रहे हैं. सो लेट्स सी के व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू. Select and color the right choice. Yes, select and color the right choice. Here we have article and some pictures also. तो हम पहले पिक्चर को देखेंगे और फिर आर्टिकल सेलेक्ट करेंगे कि इस ऑब्जेक्ट के साथ कौन सा वाला आर्टिकल आ रहा है. लुक एट द फर्स्ट पिक्चर, बुक. तो व्हाट आर्टिकल वी आर गोइंग टू पुट? ब. यस, बुक किस साउंड से स्टार्ट हो रही है? ब साउंड से. इट्स मीन वी आर गोइंग टू पुट a or an. So it will be a book. Is that clear? A book. Now look at the next one. किस चीज़ की पिक्चर है? Owl. Owl. So you have to repeat it again, or you have to tell me कि first sound क्या है owl में? Owl. Yes, it's a vowel sound. So what we are going to put? A or an? An owl. An owl. Is that clear? No, it's eagle. It's not owl. So it's eagle. Eagle is also starts with an, because it starts with vowel sound. It's an eagle. It's a picture of eagle. It's not owl, students. So you have to see it carefully also. It's an eagle. And what we are going to put with eagle? A or an? Yes, we are going to put and with eagle. Is that clear? Now look at the next one. Here we have onion. Onion. It's mean its first sound is vowel, so we are going to put a or an. Yes, it's one in number and we are going to put an onion. Now look at the next one. A or an. It's a fish, so it will be a fish because it starts with consonant sound. Yes, now look at the next one is duster. So it will be a duster. Is that clear? You have to read them and you have to color them. Let me show you how you are going to do. आप लोगों की जो right choice होगी आप लोग उस वाले में color कर देंगे like this. You have to color, you have to select the correct answer and after that you will color them. Is that clear? I hope you will do it neatly. Now let me show you how you are going to do your homework. Okay students, you will manage your copy like this. You have to draw two margin line with 1 inch distance on the left side of the copy and a half inch distance and one line on the right side of the copy. You have to write topic, double underline it by using scale. Don't forget to write date and page number. और उसके बाद आप लोगों ने नीटली ज्वाइन हैंड राइटिंग में इस तरह से वर्क कर लेना है. इज दैट क्लियर? सो आफ्टर डूइंग दिस यू ऑल्सो हैव टू मैनेज योर इंडेक्स इन द सेम वे. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ व्हाट you have to do, beta, you do your work neatly and don't forget to learn your lesson. These 3 units which we have completed are really important. We'll meet inshallah in next lesson. Keep learning and keep practicing. Allah Hafiz.